Hello guys, it is your guy MKFX and I am here again for us to hit the market big this week. I'm so sorry I've not been dropping video recently because I had issues, some personal issues which I had to settle them before we could continue. So guys, everything is cool now, so we are back into the market. And if this is the first time you're watching my video, please do well to subscribe and also click on the share button. Do me well to like the video if you enjoy it and share to others so everyone can learn in the forex community. So guys, let us go directly into the market and do this analysis. This is my strategy, this is how I trade. And for those who know me, you know I always do my analysis starting from a higher time frame down to the lower time frame. So guys, let us start with this analysis. Let's go directly to the monthly time frame. Okay, here we have the monthly time frame, guys. Here we have the monthly time frame. What do we really look at in the monthly time frame? Do we just get into the monthly time frame and we start looking for entries? No. In the monthly time frame, what I do is I mark out some special key zones, zones that I'm going to take note of, and zones that you spot out in the monthly time frame are called major key zones because those areas can always and likely be respected in the lower time frames. So guys, let us go. I always like to use recent key zones, but guys, take a look at this. This is what is very interesting in this area. You see, before this market gave me this little movement down, it gave me a head and shoulder. You get it, a head and shoulder. Now we have this head and shoulder. Now let us mark this head as a key zone because it is right. This is a key zone here. You get it? Now, when we come down here, we also mark this soldier as a key zone because it was respected, and most likely the shoulder of a head and shoulder pattern is what is always respected in the forex market as a support or a resistance area. So I'm also going to mark it out. I'm also going to mark it out. Yes. Now, the reason why I'm marking this area out is because I don't want to miss the trading opportunity. I don't want to miss it. Because if I mark just this head, what will happen? My expectation will be that let the market come up this area before it goes down. But it can likely reverse from this area. It can likely reverse from this area because this is also a resistance area from the shoulder of this head and shoulder pattern. Now, take look at what is going on in the market now. Let me just zoom the chart. Let me just zoom the chart. Now, when the market got to this area, what happened? It first of all came close to it, gave me a very long bearish candlestick. Remember, this is a monthly time frame. So GBP JPY fell for a month. You get it? And after we had this long bullish candlestick, right? And then now when it came, it touched this area and you see it went back down. Now this other month it went up and it starts coming back down. This is January. This is January. And it started coming back down. So what is happening here? This area is being respected. This area is being respected. And now look at what is going on this month. What is happening? It has rejected and it is falling back down. It is falling back down. So now I'm taking this now as my present major key zone, not more this place up. Now, what other key zone do I see here? I see a little bit of consolidation here, but this consolidation is just because it's out of this resistance area here, which is resistance. That's why all of this is being created. But here I see a break of structure. How you can see that? I see a break of structure here. So I'm going to mark it out. I'm going to mark it out. Here I see a break of structure, right? I'll just mark it out right to this end because I know the market is going to come back here. Yeah, and you see it is a break of structure, and without that, even without noticing that it is a break of structure, we also see a fair value gap here. And what always happens in a fair value gap? The market always come back down to retest that area. This is a fair value gap. You get it, guys? You get it? So looking at the monthly time frame, I'm already anticipating that I'm going to sell GBP JPY. You get it? But going down to the lower time frames, I might get another opportunity, I might get another intention. But from the monthly, my mindset is based on a sell. I hope you're understanding. Now, when I mark out this zone, I'm going to add a text here to say monthly break of structure. I'm just going to write MBOS. Let me put M. Sorry about that, guys. MBOS, which means monthly Let me just reduce the size to 10. Yeah, and then there, yeah. I know this is the monthly break of structure, right? This is the monthly break of structure. Now, what do I do next? I go down to my weekly time frame. Now, in my weekly time frame, what am I looking at? I am looking at the major or another major key zone. You get? I'm looking for another major key zone, or I am trying to adjust the key zones I spotted in the monthly time frame. Now, here, guys, we all know this is a key zone here, but I'm not much interested in this key zone. You get it? I'm not much interested to this key zone. I just want to catch few pips that can take me here, and I get out of the market. If I get a break of this support area, and then I'm going to target this other zone here. You get it, guys? So now, what am I looking at? Look at the candlestick here. What type of candlestick are we seeing here? Let me zoom out the charts. Let me zoom it. Let me zoom it. Now, what do you see? In this key zone, it was being respected as well. Are you seeing? Now the market is coming back down. There's a high probability that GBP JPY is going to sell this week. There's a probability that it's going to sell this week. But not only that, till it breaks this area, because here I also see a break of structure here. Look at it here. I also see a break of structure here. You get it, guys? I also see a break of structure here. No, 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 not this big, not this big, not this big. Yeah, let me just, yeah, guys, let's just be this way. Yes, I see a break of structure here. Now, so for me to take this, for me to trade GBP JPY, for me to place a sell, the market must come down, break this area. So this is what I'm anticipating. Let the market come down, break this area, maybe give me a retest, and then shoot down to this area. You get it? But it won't just come down around here. The market might get manipulated a little bit, play a little bit, and then it shoots right down here. So that is what I'm expecting. Let the market come down, break this area, retest, and then shoot down. You get it? That is what I'm expecting. That's what I'm expecting. And if it happens to do that, what are we seeing? We are going to see a head and shoulder. You get it? And that would be a very good pattern for us to take a sell. But there's also probability that it's going to buy. Let me show you why I think it can also buy. Remember, we also have this major support resistance area here. We also have this major, and then if I zoom the chart well, if I zoom it well, let's go back to the monthly time frame. Let me show you something. Let me show you something. Why I think the market can still buy. So it's going to come down here. I'm just anticipating it's going to come down here and then buy back to the upside. Why? We have a lot of liquidity line up here. You see, we have a lot of liquidity line up here. When trading, you always take note of the liquidity concept. You have a lot of liquidity line up here. So the market is definitely going to come up, test this high up here, and all of this liquidity that has been lying for so long. Yes, that's what the market is trying to do now. You get it? So, in as much as I'm expecting a sell, I'm also waiting for a buy signal. If I get a buy signal, I buy. That's what Forex is all about. That's what Forex is all about. Forex, we do our analysis, wait for the market to produce what it produces, and we trade alongside the market. We trade following what the market is doing. I hope you get that, guys. So from the weekly time frame, what am I seeing? I'm going to take this as weekly BOS, right? Weekly BOS. Let me add the text. I'm just going to type it as WBOS, right? Which means it's a weekly BOS. So I'm just going to place it there. Yeah, here. I'm going to place it here. Yeah, that's it there. That's my weekly break of structure. I think it's been hidden by the chart. Let me just put it here. Yeah, I think that's okay. My weekly BOS. And for me to trade this, remember I said this break or this place must be broken, be tested before I take my sell entry. Now, guys, let's go down to the daily time frame. We are still in the weekly time frame doing our analysis. Now, look at something very, very interesting, guys. Very, very interesting. The more we are going down, we are seeing more opportunities for us to trade, for us to sell. Look at this, guys. What do we have here? What do we have here? Look at this. The market was creating a series of, let me start from here. Let me just start from here. Yeah. It was a series of higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Now, instead of a high, what does this give us? It gives us a double top, and now, bam, and guys, this pattern is a daily time frame. Remember, patterns are very respected in the higher time frame. Chart patterns are very respected in the higher time frame. So what I'm expecting now is for it to fall down. You get here, pap, this, and then boom, goes down. You get it? That's what I'm expecting. But guys, remember, let me just clear this off. Up. Yep, yeah. Let me clear this off. Now, guys, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. What you see here is strong support area. That's a daily key zone. You see a strong support area here. So there's a probability that the market can get here and buy back. Are you seeing? There's a lot of liquidity lying down here. There's a lot of liquidity lying down here. So that's the more reason I'm waiting for this market to come back here and test this place. A lot of liquidity lying down here. Hope you can see that during this consolidation, there was a consolidation here, right? Consolidation here. So what happened? Let me show you this. Sorry, I'm making this video too long. It's just to make you guys understand. Are you seeing this? There was consolidation here. That's it. So when the market is consolidating, what is it doing? It is leaving liquidity up here and liquidity down here. So it has gone up to grab the liquidity that is up, and now it's going to run back down and sweep the liquidity that is down. You see, more reasons why we should be taking a sell entry. More reasons. I seen that. So this is also, you see, and where we spotted here as it was a weekly break of structure, right? If I want to draw this way, you're going to see it's going to be like it was a resistance area in the daily time frame. But that's not what we are looking at. That's not what we are looking at, guys. Let's come back to our analysis. Now, look at this. I have a double top. Look at what happened when we had a double top. We had a very long fall. When we had a double top, we had a long fall. You see, so this is just like backtesting. Double top, fall. That double top, fall. Are you seeing that? Double top, fall. So that is what we are looking at. That is what we are looking at. We are looking at this fall, looking for any opportunity to place a sell. So now, when this candlestick or the next maybe on Monday it's going to break, and boom, we are going to strike. I hope you understand. Now let us go to the 4 hours time frame. Now 4 hours time frame, what do I do in the 4 hours time frame? In the 4-hour time frame, I'm not almost spotting key zones or blah 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 blah. In the 4-hour time frame, I start looking for entry opportunities. You get it, guys? 4-hour time frame, I'm looking for entry opportunities. Entry opportunities. Now, take a look at this. What do we had? We had an uptrend here. Take a look at this, guys. Drawing my trend line, making it perfect to have multiple touches. Them. I seen this, guys. I seen this. We had a breakout. We had a breakout in this uptrend. I hope you can see that it has been broken. So the market can shoot down, fall. And then looking at this hammers and at the candlesticks we have here, we see a long inverted hammer here. This is an inverted hammer indicating a downtrend that the market is going to fall. But guys, something interesting also. You see we have something here like a double bottom, which means the market might raise, retest this trend line before falling. So what the market can do from here is maybe buy a little bit from here and then go down. That's what the market might do. I hope you are seeing that. You see that the more we are going down, the more we are seeing possible movement of the market. Possible movement of the market. It might go back up, retest this trend line before falling down. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to wait. If the market comes up and break this area, this blue line I have here, if it breaks it, what do? I place a little buy and I catch these few pips. The market is catch the possible pips you can catch. So I can just place my buy here, catch these few pips here. You see, my stop loss here. Yeah, it's okay like that. That's my entry. I think this is a 1:3. 1:3. You see, 1:3 risk reward. So that's what I can possibly do. So I can have a short buy before I sell. But guys, remember our aim here is to sell. Now I go down now to the 1 hour time frame to see what exactly is going on. What exactly is going on? Let us bring our charts closer. What exactly is going on in this market right now? That is what I'm looking at. That is what I am looking at. But you see, the 1 hour time frame is giving us something different from the 4 hour. Still yet, in the 1 hour time frame, if I break this area, I place a little buy, catch this little buy before I sell. That's the same thing I'm looking at in the 1 hour time frame. You see, guys. So now, if market happens to fall from here and break this area and give me a good confirmation to sell, guys, this will be my sell. This will be my sell entry here. My sell entry will be somewhere here. My stop loss maybe above here. Give the chart time space to break, and then let me go to the 4 hours to see where I can take my profits. And my take profits here, guys. Oh, damn. Let me just redo this. Let me just do it back. So this will be my entry here. My entry will be here. My stop loss up there, and my take profits here. Guys, a 1:6. This is good. This is good, guys. So if the market just do what I'm anticipating, guys, this is what we'll be catching. This is what we will be catching. You get? This is what we will be catching. This is the move we will be catching, guys. So that is my analysis for GBP JPY. Guys, if you have anything to say, anything you feel to add to this video, you can comment down in the comment section and I'm going to get to you right away. And if you also want videos about something, you can also drop at the comment section. When I view them, trust me, I'm going to do a video for you. I mean, everyone, any video you need concerning Forex, drop a video. Drop a comment, sorry, I'm going to do a video for you. Once more, it is your guy MKFX Academy, and I'm taking guys for mentorship now. So if you're interested in my mentorship, you're going to see my phone number, that is my WhatsApp contact, down in the comment section and also in the description of this video. You're going to see my number there. Still on the comment section, you're going to see a link to my WhatsApp group where you can join, and you join my WhatsApp communities where I share my analysis and I share my entries. At times I even give free signals for everyone to trade and make money. One love, guys. Like and subscribe, please. Like, subscribe and share.